Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. Let's go ahead and talk about this company right here, Navitas Organics, established in 2003, based in California, vegan, raw, non-GMO, kosher, guys. That company has made its way up the ladders and is sitting at the top with all the other superfood companies. What are we talking about today? The Maca Root, guys. Let's go ahead and get it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and talk about the Maca Root powder from Navitas Organics. Mostly grown in Peru, high altitudes. This boasts a whopping amount of vitamin C, decreases insomnia, increases libido, increases sperm count, increases stamina. This right here has a whopping amount of properties. Anti-inflammatory. It is just power-packed with so many benefits. Today we're making a banana, pineapple, mango smoothie. Alright? So, get yourself any type of blender. It can be a high-powered one or a low-powered one. So right here I have about a cup of frozen pineapples. Pineapples for the digestion. When I think of pineapples, that's what I think about, along with the skin and the hydration. Not only that, we have the mangoes frozen. The B1, the 2, the 3, the 5, 6, 9, the copper, the potassium, the magnesium. That right there alone in that jar is beautiful. About 2 bananas there, and I have a little bit of this beautiful yellow ginger. Why? Anti-inflammatory. If you've already seen a few of my videos, I love anti-inflammatory foods. What do? Decrease the free radicals in your body that cause havoc. Plain and simple. Another thing is, when I think of ginger, nausea and vomiting decreases that. Let's go ahead, and we have a little bit of an orange squeezed in there, guys. Not only that, I have a frozen lemon. And what I'm going to do, put my little microplane over it, and I'm going to grate it in. Grate it like that. Lemon is good for the skin, the eyes, the hair, the digestion. I love lemon. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in there right now. We're going to add a little bit of water. Right about there. Now we're going to go ahead and add in 1 teaspoon of this Maca Root powder. Just like that. Beautiful. Put that right there. Put the top on, close it up, and it's done. Alright guys, that is all done. I can already smell the mangoes and the pineapples. This guy right here is going to be absolutely awesome. We have the B1, the 2, the 3, the 5, 6, and 9. The decrease of the insomnia, the increasing of your libido, and the stamina, and the sperm count, the copper, magnesium, potassium, the ginger for the nausea and vomiting, and the anti-inflammatory effects, the lemon, the banana, you name it, right here. That bad boy is packing for you, right there for you. Look at that. Come on down to grab some. That is a full smoothie. Look at how huge that is. That is crazy. Look at that, just for you guys. I'm going to take a big sip of this right now. Wow. Incredible taste. You can taste the pineapple and the mangoes, definitely the lemon and the orange juice. My name is Joseph. Thank you for watching The Vegan Spice. Be well, be safe. Most of all, be yourself. Until next time, guys, see you later.